Hello and welcome to another update video about oil. We take a look at the CFDs on Brent crude oil. Not too much has happened since my last video, basically just consolidation here above the last swing low here at 83 US dollars. So if I just go back to the 4-hour chart, you can see here that I still expect to end this sort of larger correction for oil. I still expect another low, in the region between 42 and $76. That is the region I talked about already back in, I believe it was February, March, was somewhere up here. I talked about this upcoming correction into these price regions. I mean, the target area starts at 76.50 roughly, and we've already come down to 83. At the time we were above 100, so I think this is sort of all going in the right direction. We are moving up a little bit at the moment. This is absolutely possible here in this scenario. I talked in previous videos about the strong possibility that as long as we're holding the 83.50 level, that we would most likely get into this target area here for a B wave of $105 and $120. So somewhere there, I would expect this B wave to get into, so that we have an overall scenario in this wave 2 correction, which again should end in this region between roughly 42 to $76. And in this wave 2 correction, we have a WXY pattern, and that we are now in the Y wave. And in this wave Y, we've already created a 5-wave move down, here, and this completes a wave A. And that would indicate that from now we are starting to move up in a wave B, in which we have most likely already completed here a wave A. We're now coming down in B and would now prepare for a move up in a wave C of B. Because a wave B in red here consists of 3 waves, A, B, C. So this is what I expect. Could it be that the B wave was already in here? Yeah, that's possible. But I don't know that. For me, it's more likely to go higher based on the Fibonacci retracements, because if I draw the Fib retracements, I can see that this is the area between the 50% Fib level and the 88.7% Fib level. Now, this move up, what I have labeled currently only as the subwave of the wave B, the wave A, has not even reached the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So I would primarily expect still to go higher here in the C wave of B. Alternatively, and that's obviously possible as well, if we now break below this 83.40 level, then I would have to say, okay, well, the wave B was already in here, even though I don't find it very likely. It was already in here at 98.80. That's possible because this is also a 3-wave move, as you can see. So it's very much possible that the wave B was already in. Not my primary expectation. I think we are still going to go a bit higher based on the Fibonacci retracements that I have just shown you. Already a first indication that we are heading down would be if we break below this 88.70 level, and then we can also expect a break below that 83.50 level, and then get down into this target range, the larger range, which I will be able to specify further and make it smaller as soon as I know how high do we actually go in this B wave, because then I can project out the length of the wave A, compare it with the expected length of a wave C, and then we can get to much let's say more accurate targets there. But overall I would expect this wave 2 to end in this region, and then we can expect a rally after that in a wave 3 that can take us above, well, I would say, $300. Certainly, because the wave 1 already reached $138. That was back in March 2020. So for me, the downtrend is still continuing. A move up, a short-term move to the upside is possible. You can compare that with this move where people got super bullish on oil again. But I kept my stance that we will come down lower, because this had a very, very corrective characteristic to the upside. In the end, the analysis was proven correct because it was only a corrective move up in a wave X, corrective wave, and now we're coming down in this wave Y of 2. So that's currently where we're at. Yeah, so that's my update about oil. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.